All right, so this is my reflection video for the Com 101 class. Gonna take an opportunity to answer some of these questions and kind of just reflect on all the assignments and kind of how everything's all put together. So I'll just run through the list of the questions and rattle them off. Firstly, what surprised you about this course? Well, one of the biggest things that I thought was surprising is that kind of navigating through this, I found that some of the stuff kind of seems common sense. You know, you're constantly communicating throughout your entire life. So a lot of this we probably all kind of picked up on. But I thought it was crazy how broad of a field communications is. And specifically, I thought it was very surprising of just how many different technical terms there were. Felt like I spent a lot of time studying the textbook and writing down all these key terms, and it was just a lot more than I thought there would be. Um, as far as something useful that I would take away from this course, I really liked going over the relationship dialects. I think that studying that kind of gave a kind of big picture to some of the ins and outs of personal relationships. And so I think going forward, by understanding those contrasting dialects, it could be really beneficial to some of my personal and even romantic relationships. Um, if I could change something about this course, what would it be? Um, I really would have liked to have seen answer keys after we take the quizzes. Not having an idea of what we missed or like having the right answers to refer to, um, in my opinion, wasn't super conducive to learning, especially compounded by the fact that all of those questions from our quizzes were just repeated onto the exams verbatim. Um, all in all, the point totals on that equaled to about a third of the grade in this class. And so I didn't really find it super beneficial to read the textbook, miss a question, and then being told to refer back to the textbook to get the answer. Didn't really make for a fair shot, in my opinion. Uh, my favorite assignment in this course, I think it was a tie between the informative presentations and the persuasive letters. Um, I think that was kind of mainly because uh, it gave me an opportunity to kind of build responses or assignments, do a little digging into something that I'm into. The persuasive letter was really funny because I got to talk about like a popsicle that I ate as a kid, and it kind of brought back some good memories for me. My least favorite assignment in this course was probably the song choice relationship dialects assignment. Um, I liked the idea of that one, but it was kind of difficult to find a bunch of songs that kind of fit into that. As far as rating the textbook, I thought it was very informative and it fit all of the information without being super overwhelming. So 10 out of 10 there. And then finally, three words that I would use to describe this course would be fun, informative, and necessary. But all in all, I really enjoyed this class and kind of looking into like the ins and outs of communication. And it's always good for everybody to kind of brush up on that. So thanks again for a great experience.